graph of given the distribution that follows a standard normal curve, what does the graph of the curve do as z increases in the positive direction? So we know that whether z increases or whether z decreases, the graph flattens towards zero for normal curve. So graph approaches zero in either direction. Women's heights are normally distributed with mean 63.7, standard deviation 2.5. A social organization of tall people has requirement that women must be at least 70 inches tall. What percentage meet the requirement, which means what percentage is at least 70 inches tall. So once again, we don't need to do the table. StatCrunch is much faster. So let's see if we have a window open. This is open. Okay, so stats, calculator, normal. And it said mean 63.7, standard deviation 2.5. And you want at least, let's see, mean 63.7, standard deviation 2.5. And they said at least 70 inches tall. Now, at least 70 inches tall means 70 or more. So greater than or equal to 70. 0.0059. So 0.0059, which means 0.59%. And decimal moves 2 places forward, so it's 0.59%. Okay, IQ scores randomly distributed with mean 100, standard deviation 15. Find the probability that a randomly selected adult had IQ score between 83 and 117. So mean 100, standard deviation 15. And they wanted between 83 and 117, so I do the between. Once again, in continuous distribution, you don't have to worry about whether the endpoints are included or not. It's the same. 0.7429. Use normal distribution of fish lengths for which the mean is 8 inches, standard deviation is 4 inches. What percent are longer than 11 inches? So mean 8, standard deviation 4, and longer than 11. Go back to standard, greater than 11. So remember, in normal distribution, greater than and greater than or equal to is the same thing. 0.2266. No one percentage, so 22.66%. So if 300 fish are randomly selected, how many would you expect to be shorter than 7 inches? So first you go shorter than 7. So that's less than 7. Okay, 0.4013. Now, normally that's what they ask. 0.4013 is what we got, but that's not the answer. It's 0.4013 is the probability, and out of 300 fish, so you multiply that by 300 to calculate how many, because probability is the same as proportion. So the proportion of fish which are shorter than 7 inches is 0.4013, and then if you want to find how many they are, you multiply the proportion by the total. So let's see, 0.4013 times 300 for 40.13, so that's 120.39. So that's 120 to the nearest fish.